If you've been using Microsoft Word for years, you might think you already know everything about it. But today, you're about to discover some of the best hidden features that can make your work faster, easier, and way more efficient. These tools are built right into Word, yet most people never use them. Stick around, and if you learn something new, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple and helpful tech tutorials. One of the most underrated features is the navigation pane. Most users scroll endlessly through long documents, but the navigation pane lets you jump instantly between headings, pages, or search results. Just go to the View tab and check Navigation Pane. This simple tool makes editing long reports, proposals, or school papers so much easier because you can move sections around with just a drag and drop. Another powerful feature is Smart Lookup. Many people switch to Google whenever they need to research a term, but Word can do that right inside your document. Just right-click any word or phrase and choose Smart Lookup. Word will display definitions, related information, and even web results, all without leaving your document. It's a great way to improve your writing or check facts quickly. Next up is Remove Background, a built-in tool that surprises a lot of users. You don't need Photoshop to clean up an image. Insert your picture, click on it, then choose Remove Background under Picture Tools. Word will automatically detect the subject and remove the background with just a few adjustments. It's perfect for presentations, reports, resumes, or any document that needs clean-looking images. Another hidden gem is Auto-Save with Version History. If you're using OneDrive, Word automatically saves every change, and you can go back to older versions at any time. This is extremely helpful when you make edits you want to undo, or when collaborating with others. No more losing work or struggling with overwritten files. Word keeps everything for you. Lastly, many people still don't use styles. Instead of manually formatting each heading or paragraph, Styles lets you format your entire document consistently with just one click. When you update a style, like changing font size or color, Word instantly updates all matching parts of your document. This is one of the biggest time savers, especially for students, office workers, and content creators. And that wraps up some of the best Microsoft Word features you didn't know you needed. These tools may be small, but they can seriously boost your productivity and help you work smarter. If you learned something new today, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more quick and informative Word tutorials, and share this with someone who uses Word every day. Thanks for watching.